Okay, kindergarten kids, whether you are in Mrs. Sylvia's class, Mrs. Ajax's class, or Mrs. Julian's class, it doesn't matter. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to use Mrs. Ajax's class as an example. When you go to your home page, I want you to click on classwork, and then we're going to start an Osprey project. And the first thing you need to do, there's an exit ticket, which is on Google Forms, and there's also a Chesapeake Osprey camera. I want you to click on this camera, this link, and it brings you to explore.org. It might take a few minutes to load up, but this is a live camera feed of an osprey. Okay, so this is live right now, and you can see he's sitting in his nest. And I want you to look at the bird first of all, the osprey, and I want you to look at his colors. You can try to see his beak, his eyes, all his feathers. But I also want you to look at his nest. Okay, and I want you to look how the osprey made his nest. What do you use? What type of materials do you see in it? It's sort of sad because you can actually see a lot of plastic. This black material here looks like plastic. There's a yellow thing over here, a green thing here, and this looks almost like a shopping bag in the bottom. Okay, so this osprey has actually grabbed these plastic products and brought them to his nest where she is eventually going to lay her eggs. Okay, but you can actually go down a little bit and you can look at other ospreys. So if you click on Audubon Osprey Nest, you will see that this osprey is just sitting on his branch right outside of the nest. Sometimes the camera angle changes. You can see now it's zooming in a little bit. Okay, and you can actually listen for the noises that he makes. And sometimes you can actually see him feeding on fish, mainly fish. Okay, there are a total of 5 cameras here, and one of them's sort of funny. I want you to see if you can find some birds that think they're ospreys. I'm not going to give you the answer. Okay, so once I'm done, oh, here comes another osprey. And we'll see if the camera angle changes. Yep, here we go. So now you have both ospreys in their nest. Okay, but I'm going to go back. Once you're done with looking at the ospreys, spend a little time looking at them and watching them. See if they eat anything. Okay, when you're done, I want you to go to the exit ticket. And all you have to do is fill in your name. I want you to write down what color the osprey is. Okay, and there's a picture up here to help you. And then I want you to tell me what the osprey nest is made of. Okay, so I explained it a little bit, but I want you to try to look at the nest and see what materials the osprey made to build it. Now at the bottom it says we're going to try to build models of an osprey nest next week. Your homework is to collect a few sticks and leaves every day and bring them and leave them in a pile outside. Okay, will you remember to do this? Yes, no, or maybe. And then all you have to do is hit submit. Okay, have fun with the project. Don't start building the nest yet, just collect the materials. Okay, thank you.